you and the two girls go out to eat together, perhaps love hand-to-band affordable. All three went to a luxurious restaurant and ordered a plate of sandwiches and a few eggs, but the restaurant forgot to bring the stove to you. What should you do? She first seemed smart. She put the bread on an aluminum foil and put some food on it and wrapped it up, and of course before she went out she prepared an iron to put in the basket, whether by chance. Then she plugged in the electric plate and pressed it on a piece of bread carefully wrapped in aluminum foil. She pressed both sides for long enough to make the contents inside evenly cooked. Then she stopped and took off the aluminum foil. The bread and the food inside smelled good and she gave it to the guy. Isn't she? She also wraps the bread with aluminum foil and then uses the curling iron's temperature to cook the food inside. Isn't she? She also wraps the bread with aluminum foil and then uses the curling iron's temperature to cook the food inside. Then she gave the final product to the guy to enjoy. Gave while complimenting both of their skills and cleverness. Not only knows how to cook, but also what to use to cook. And finally his turn to bloom. He wrapped an aluminum cup with aluminum foil, then he adds some food to the aluminum bowl to make the omelet. When he piles food into aluminum cups, he'll use the iron to bake them. He's just as smart as the other two. He didn't forget to put in some tenderloin, a little bit of commerce, and of course you can add chili and a bit of iodine salt. If he and the other two enjoy eating salty, he will put in some love for you. Then he told the smart girl to give him an iron, and she brought it upside down to let him put an aluminum tray on it. Remember to be careful, because the temperature of the iron can be cooked at any time. Finally, the most perfect dish of the day was successful. They are extremely excited and happy to enjoy this wonderful food together. It does not burn and is cooked evenly in the shape of an aluminum. We'll make a makeup bag with a broken bra. First we use scissors, cut off the belt. Cut the straps on either side of the bra. This is what we get. Then we use candle glue to glue the two sides of the bra together. After sticking them with candle glue, we will be like this. We continue to use candle glue to attach the two locking pieces. We continue to use candle glue to attach the two locking pieces. Put on the lipstick. Put them together. We already have a purse that is very petal. Really handy, is not it? Going out with this cute bag is so convenient and lovely, isn't it?